This is a mini surge, if you will.
Dr. Jennifer Vines, back in front of the camera for the first time in weeks. The Multnomah County health officer is urging people to mask up indoors.
It's most important for people who are at high risk of severe disease, but we're offering it up to everyone as a way to lower their individual risk of becoming ill.
The recommendation to mask indoors comes as COVID cases, outbreaks, and hospitalizations are on the rise in Multnomah County. But why exactly? Dr. Vines points to a few factors. She says people are spending more time indoors because of the cold, wet spring. That makes it easier for them to catch the highly contagious Omicron subvariant that's currently moving through our community.
We're also seeing it now several months after our big Omicron peak. So we know that for people who had a natural infection, that immunity we think wears off after about 3 months.
All of that said, Dr. Vines wants people to know the recommendation to mask up is just that, a recommendation.
It's voluntary, and I don't see it as a stepping stone to anything more restrictive in these next several weeks.
Even so, the mere mention of masks has people talking on social media. One person writing, "We haven't taken off our masks." Another saying, "Most definitely masking." But Adrian tweeted, "No, we're done and not going back." While Oscar says, "Feel free to wear a mask. I won't."
I do want to tamp down the anxiety and kind of the emotional reaction to this and kind of be clear about what this is.
What it is, according to Vines, is a simple recommendation to mask indoors until COVID cases and hospitalizations drop, which is expected next month.
Giving people the tools they can use to lower their individual risk of illness between now and then.
Yeah, it's worth mentioning I did reach out to the health departments in both Clackamas and Washington counties, and folks there tell me at this point they do not plan to issue any sort of indoor mask recommendation, but they do point out they have always encouraged people who are at higher risk of severe illness to mask up inside. Brittany.
Good point there. Thanks so much, Mike.